Hi, good evening. Question was asked by a student how to download the stationery envelope into your project. I'm assuming that was the question. So I figured I might as well do a video showing how. So right now, currently in Blackboard, let me Yes. All right, so I'm in Blackboard. I made sure that I'm in student mode so that I can see it, so that you'll see it like I see it. Again, the only thing you won't have is this yellow or orange bar at the top, but I'm going to go into assignments. I'm going to go to module 7. I'm going to go to stationery package, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'll see the post office, stationery, and these examples. So it's all the way at the bottom. I'm going to click on that, and when I do, it's going to download. um, Once it downloads, if you're on Windows, I can't remember what Windows, I'm on a Mac and it's called Finder. Windows, Explorer. I think it's Explorer. So I think if you either right click or click on the bottom, it's either going to open and it'll open in Illustrator. For me, I can choose Show in Finder. I think you might be able to choose that as well. But if I click open, what's going to happen is I've already opened it and downloaded it many times. But what's going to happen is it's going to open up inside of Illustrator, since it's an Illustrator file. And if you wanted to take this over into the other one, there are a few ways to do it, but probably the easiest way for you guys is to just, hang on, I got the spinning wheel. Easiest way is to either do a Command A, which is going to help you select all, and then hit Command C, or sorry, Control A if you're on PC. That's going to help you select all. Control C is going to help you copy it. The other way, of course, is go to Edit and then Copy. And then for your select, you can just go to Select All, and then it'll select everything. And then you can go to Copy and then copy it over. Another thing I just thought of, just trying to see if anything's locked down. Nope, nothing's locked down. Okay, sweet. All right, so with it copied, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your Illustrator document that, let's see, I don't know if I have one open, but I'll just open one. But you'll go to your Illustrator document into the artboard that you have set up for this envelope, and you'll paste it in. Hopefully, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to choose something large so that I choose legal, landscape. There we go. So, all right. So now I'm in here and I'm going to make sure I have an artboard. So I'm going to zoom out. I'll make an artboard. Sorry. I'll make an artboard for this. So I'll go to my artboard tool and I'll just draw an artboard for now. And I forget the exact measurements of the envelope. I think it's 9.13. 9.13 inches. I'm going to figure out what the exact inches are. I just want to make one real quick. So the envelope is 9.5 by 4.125. Okay, so 9.5 by 4.125. All right, so 9.5. So with 9.5 inches by 4.125 inches. And the thing is, when you put that in, anytime you put, it's going to convert it to, it's going to convert it to it's going to round it up, which is fine. So I'm going to come over here. This is going to be my envelope. And as long as that one is selected, I can go to Edit, Paste in Place, and it'll paste it exactly where it was in the other document. So now I have it. I always lock it down just to make sure I don't make a mistake and accidentally click on it. So I'll lock that one down and then add another layer and start designing from there. So hopefully that helped you out. I figure a video was going to be quicker than typing all this up. Plus, I didn't want to type all this up. So let me know if you have any other issues. I appreciate you asking, as always, and I never mind making a video. So hopefully this helps you out. And let me know. Talk to you later. I look forward to seeing what you guys create. Awesome.